Hi, Mike here. I want to give you a quick hack on how to straighten walls while you're doing drywall. And we're going to use something that you guys probably all have in your house, cardboard. Okay, so we are basically putting the last piece of drywall in the house, and we ran into a weird issue with this one wall that was existing that we didn't straighten. And I really don't feel like pulling my hand planer out right now and destroying, getting dust all over the place. I have a stud that's out of place here. So you can see this one's diving in, and then I have two studs here that are diving in as well, from here down. So I get the hand planer out and I can plane all this, but I really don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna grab some cardboard and I'm gonna make my own custom shims. Depending on how far it's in, you could use drywall or you could use a piece of plywood. But for today, we're gonna make our custom spacer, and I already kind of checked beforehand. It's about 2 of these. This is all we need. Handy dandy staple gun, and we're just gonna, we don't really, don't want to get crazy, then we're gonna check it. And we're really gonna push on it. And depending on how thick your cardboard is, you may need to put, an extra one in and then kind of compress it in when you put the drywall in. And this is just for this area here and the area up here. So this is just a quick kind of like hack, I guess. It wouldn't be the way you would straighten all the walls if you were doing a ton of them, but hey, you just straighten like 2 quick studs, grab yourself some cardboard. Thanks. If you found this hack helpful, please like and please subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks.